deployed engineers earn a premium because they operate where software meets real-world mess. In this role, your primary output is the judgment required to translate a chaotic customer floor into a working production system. To land these roles, you have to clear a specific three-stage sequence. It starts with a behavioral screen, moves into a technical deep dive, and culminates in a live case study. Proving you can write Python and manage cloud infrastructure is what gets you through the first two checkpoints. Those skills are the baseline requirements to get you in the room. The final case study is designed to simulate the actual job, managing ambiguity under pressure. While the first two rounds filter for technical skill, this final stage determines if you can be trusted with a customer's production system. Consider this prompt from a typical Stage 3 interview. A hospital wants to use AI to cut emergency room wait times. The common mistake is to start building immediately. Candidates often dive straight into designing a multi-agent LLM system, trying to solve the entire hospital's efficiency in one go. That approach backfires. Before you touch a line of code, you have to understand the why behind the delay. You cannot architect a solution for a problem you haven't defined. The effective first step is to use clarifying questions to find the actual operational bottleneck. You need to know if the backlog is happening at patient intake, triage, or the final discharge. If the data shows the delay is at intake, your focus shifts. You propose a minimum viable product that targets only that specific room, ignoring the rest of the hospital's operations for now. By scoping the problem down, you prove you can identify high-leverage business opportunities. Shipping a small, working solution for the right problem is more valuable than a perfect design for the wrong one. Now you have to defend that choice. You'll be asked to explain your design to a stakeholder who doesn't understand your stack. This is where most technical explanations fall apart. You have a choice. Do you securely query the hospital's messy legacy database, or do you build a brand new predictive model? Think about which one provides the most immediate value. Pause the video here. Practice your explanation out loud. How would you justify your choice to a hospital administrator? Once you commit, the interviewer will change the rules. They might tell you the database is air-gapped, or the budget for new models just vanished. The goal here is to be transparent. Think out loud as you pivot the design. Show them exactly how you navigate through new constraints. Interviewers are looking for your reasoning process. They want to see how you handle the frustration of a changing spec, because that is what the job looks like every day. A successful performance requires three things: pinpointing the true problem, proving technical depth, and translating those trade-offs for a non-technical audience. Use this framework for Stage 3. Ask clarifying questions to scope. Identify the bottleneck to decompose. Propose a simple MVP, and iterate out loud to prove your judgment. To test your translation skills, try this. Explain a complex technical decision you've made to a friend who isn't an engineer. Record it and listen back. If your friend understands the why behind your decision, you're ready. Mastering the gap between messy problems and working code is what defines a top-tier forward-deployed engineer.